Right, everyone, Nick Hudson has had a few too many drinks.
Look at him, turn around, please.
He's a bit bevved.
Welcome to the island like no other. It's a very entertaining vlog today. Hello, Rich.
Oh, good day to you.
How are you?
I'm alright.
Who do we have today in this special video?
Ruby and Nicole.
Ruby and Nicole. Ruby and Nicole.
I have a cream egg. I dropped it in a puddle. I'm still eating it.
Ruby's eating a cream egg. We're for a fun afternoon at Thorpe, so come along with us. Talking about theme parks, just make
I thought you were going to say something else.
Nicole, your favourite ride in the whole world?
Taryn.
Ruby Withers, your favourite ride in the whole world?
Taryn.
There's a theme here. Now, you've just come back from America, Rich, haven't you? So
Everyone's gonna just slate me for my favourite ride in the world. Magnum XL200.
People hate that.
You mean the big one?
It's far better than the big one.
But you like the big one.
I do like the big one.
There you go.
What?
I won't discuss the reasoning for my love of the big one on here because people would just be like, what?
Discuss what you
Yeah.
want.
No, it's
People
alright,
might
it's alright.
comment for
No.
once.
No, it's very personal and I'm not talking about it on camera.
Do you have a
So
big one on the big one?
that's just weird.
Do you have a Woody for the... Never mind.
Woody for Wicker Man.
Woody.
Favourite thing at Thorpe Park, Ruby?
Detonator.
Oh, please.
Now, we have a thing about drop rides.
You zoomed in on me, looking at me to say favourite thing, and I just sort of went.
Darren,
Fright nights when it's about. Yeah.
Fright Nights, but we haven't got Fright Nights today. Your name on the Walking Dead ride? Yeah. Your favourite thing at Thorpe Park?
Stealth.
I love Stealth.
Yeah.
You sort of see it over there. It's a bit cloudy today. This weather is meant to clear up. So come along for the ride at the island like no other. Sorry, that's too close. Goodbye. So I'm just explaining to Ruby here how Stealth
I'm at the shop.
terrifies me beyond belief. You like this ride, don't you?
Yeah, it's alright.
When was the last time you were here?
Like 2 weeks ago with Matt, but we only went on 2 rides and had KFC and went home. So, just amateurs, aren't we? Just amateurs, well, because I picked him up from the station up here, so it just made sense. So, yeah, where have they gone? I don't know.
Have you done Jungle Escape?
I have not.
It's very good.
Is it?
You should do it. I wouldn't do it.
I've
So
not done really anything.
we're looking forward to
What are you doing?
Detonator.
Put the camera to the other one.
No, you can't when you're filming. So we've lost it earlier. Right, so Stealth awaits. Well, that was a good ride on Stealth. The second we arrive in the queue, it's down, so we're off to do something else. It's quite windy today, so maybe the wind sensors got... Sorry, expert, what you saying? So I'm going to do something else. Here is Ryan. He's looking at rocks.
That's amazing. Oh, bless him, he looks so focused.
A rock like no other. It's the artwork for Jungle Escape. And should we go on the rapids?
Should we actually?
Sorry, just gets your step count up nice and high.
It does. I used to get
When it was sunny, it actually wasn't too bad.
It's moist time.
It's Moist TV! Moist TV 2! The reunion.
Stealth is back up and running, so we'll go on that next. But we're on the best rapids and the rapids like no other.
Yeah, it's really good.
Robert Rapids, brother.
We've got to say all credit to the people that work on these rides, don't we, Nicole? And you did them at Towers, didn't you? So
Back in the day.
it's quite wet this year.
Well, I mean, I operate this one, so.
I love how Nicole's dressed incredibly smartly today.
I'm scared.
It's a shame they got the doors now because it stops the water.
Dean Cox, I'm nervous.
Nervous!
Nervous.
Nervous!
Panic!
It's like
Panic!
that dog wearing like
Yeah.
Look at Rich's wet back. They've actually made them quite intense this season, haven't they, Rich?
Oh, having been on quite a few other rapids recently, they're
What's
just
the best one in your trip?
the Kennywood ones. Very good. I got absolutely buggered on those things.
So the guys in the tunnel, please remain seated at all times.
Tut tut tut.
Nick's had 3 drinks. We've all had 3 drinks.
I've tried to explain to everyone how bad he is. Now, first hand, please, everyone, just look still.
Yes,
like,
mate, still.
You missed it.
That was probably not in it
go
because
fucking
you
down
can't
the
like turn the camera around. So I don't know what kind of like dinosaur phone this is, but
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. It's the latest
Is
like,
it?
iPhone.
Why can you not
It's 'cause
turn
he's got
the-
like a brick thing.
So we're now in the queue for BounceZilla.
Less expensive triggers and the slippers you
Got to take off this morning. Must be the face.
All these items must be placed in the storage space provided.
In Bouncy Castle for Thorpe's 40th. And you like the soundtrack, don't you?
yeah, it's a really good soundtrack.
Pop Wild. It's Top Wild. Literally Top Wild.
Yeah, glad everyone likes it. So I'm a bit drunk, so
He is very drunk.
here with Connor, who is part of BounceZilla.
I'm the original Mr. Bounce. He's not working.
Nick's drunk, everyone. It's okay, I've gone to family mode. I've done up my button.
We're about to do BounceZilla.
Fantastic, guys. If you guys got a smartphone or any video recording device, you're more than welcome to take it with you guys on BounceZilla. Fantastic. You go back now, sir? Fantastic.
You ready?
No.
He said go, go!
It's over. What do you think, Rich?
I'm dead.
Tiring, isn't it?
What if you're crazy old stories? Don't
Nicole, your
worry,
thoughts?
we've got it all.
Dead. I think I'm quite far ahead, like, to be honest with you.
Ruby?
Me and Nicole finished like a solid 30 seconds before these guys.
They're so young. How you feeling, Rich?
Dead.
I'm dead.
Da-da-da.
I'm alright. A little bit out of breath. I would have won that there. I was this close. And then I was like, do you know what? We beat the guy, so we went down together.
It's bigger than you think, isn't it?
Yeah. Jesus, I hurdled every single, like, if you've done it, you know, you've got like these inflatable things that are about this sort of level. I hurdled over every single one instead of crawl. Don't know why. I'm a bit dead.
Did you go through the tight bit or the recording bit?
The crawly bit, because I tried to get through the tight bit and I realised it wasn't going to be easy.
Absolutely crazy. Today's drawing to an end, and we're just about to go on Detonator. We've got 13 minutes left on park, or in the park, as I like to say. What are we doing now, Nicole?
Down the fucking drain.
Your favourite ride in the world?
Piss and shit, yeah. Natural.
It is actually quite a terrifying drop ride, isn't it?
No.
Rich doesn't like, so Ruby and I are fine with drop rides. Nicole and Rich do not like drop rides. And it's actually quite intense, this. I still haven't got a Nemesis this season, which is a shame. Nemesis Inferno this season, which is a shame. But it's walk on, which is good.
Hangover.
So,
Who
yeah.
started?
Not me. He who smelt it, dealt it. Rich pissed himself. Ruby and I were okay.
Yeah, it was good. I liked
We're going on Nemesis Inferno. We have 3 minutes left on Park. And there's no queue for Nemesis Inferno, as we saw from on top of Detonator.
Yeah, we're going for the closest coaster, man. Like, just fucking go. Am I allowed to swear?
Do what you want. A bit late now.
Yeah, I mean, it's been happening all day, but...
Guys, your thoughts on Detonator?
Awful.
Horrible!
Horrible. I hate it.
I was literally going to phone you and be like, no,
It's like me on
Oh my
stealth.
God, I can't deal. Oh. We're just talking about like Richard saying, wait till you go on like Lex Luthor's Doctor Doom.
Well,
And I
you've
was
got that
like,
vlog to look forward
I'm
to.
like, what is it?
Lost words
It's
in
like
the
Superman escaped to Krypton. Yeah. So that's gonna be fucking shit. Apparently, when like the launch coaster, when it like goes up, the whole like drop tower goes
Yeah.
like this, and apparently you like shake and then you drop. Nah. I have to be.
Oh, nah! We have the whole train to ourselves. We're going to go front row Nemesis. Yay!
B&M's.
She doesn't like Nemesis. Leave the comments below.
I struggle with them.
Subscribe for Nicole.
No. Let me just say, I got low blood pressure, so you know it's very
She
difficult.
has anxiety
for me.
as well.
No,
She
it's
can't-
nothing to do with anxiety. It's actually to do with blood pressure. So, I enjoy it, but it makes me feel a little bit weird. But it's fine. But yeah, I prefer
row
launch
is good.
coasters. Launch coasters, Taron.
I've never done front row on that ride before.
What, Taron?
No,
well,
this ride.
Yeah, we sat there and he was like, I've never done front row. And I was like, what? And I was like, even I did, like, as a child. It's unreal. It's so loud. Yeah, that was fun.
The most creepy ride exit ever. Rich and Ruby, your thoughts on Nemesis Inferno?
it's been the first time I've done it front in quite a long time, so yeah, good. Sick shit.
Was it rough or was it just me?
It's B&M. Of course it's not.
Yeah.
The only rough B&M I know is Dragon Khan.
Oh,
I've never done Portaventura.
Dragon Khan is shit.
So that's it. Thank you for joining us for this Thorpe Park vlog. Bye!
Bye.